Hello, welcome back pronunciation learners to another tutorial of English pronunciation. Let's learn how to pronounce these tricky words. Choir, camouflage, carousel, chorus, choir, and carafe. The first word is choir, which means a group of people singing together, especially in a church. That's called choir. Disyllabic noun, stress on the first syllable, choir. Choir. Second word is camouflage. It could be used as a verb or noun. A camouflage is hiding something by means of changing color. That's camouflage. Stress on the first syllable, ca. This word has got camouflage, a three-syllable word. Stress on the first syllable, ca. We say camouflage. I repeat, choir, camouflage. The third word is carousel. Carousel. We can also say carousel in the end. That's correct. Three-syllable noun. A carousel or a carousel is a merry-go-round at a fair. That's called a carousel, a rotating machine. Kids use it as to play. That's carousel. I repeat, carousel or carousel. Three-syllable noun. Stress on the last syllable, cell or zel. Say carousel or carousel. And then move on to chorus. Chorus is a disyllabic noun, and chorus means piece of let's say music. People who sing also in a church, they are making a chorus, kind of singing. Chorus, singing together. Chorus, disyllabic noun, starts the first syllable, chorus, so chorus. Again, chorus. And then we move on to chore. It's a monosyllabic word, chore, which means a daily routine or piece of routine work. That's called chore. Monosyllabic word, stress on the whole word, we say chore. Chorus, chore. And the last word is carafe. We can also say carafe. This word comes from the Arabic language, and carafe means a glass or a jar. That's carafe. Stress on the second syllable, raf or raf. We say carafe. It's a disyllabic noun. Let's practice choir, camouflage, carousel, carousel, chorus, chore, carafe. Carafe, chore, chorus, carousel, camouflage, choir. Again, choir, camouflage, carousel, carousel, chorus, chore, carafe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.